Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alexa, the lady extraordinaire, and I have an unboxing for y'all. Yes, it's a New Balance sneaker. It's a quite plain box, which I really like. Paper is torn, but never mind, right? It's the New Balance Classic 574 in a beautiful dark navy gray colorway, which to me is very elegant, and it goes with just about anything. It just feels so light, so good, like kind of shoes that you will wear all day long and not feel anything. That's how they feel like. Size 43. I usually have size 42 in sneakers, but I had to go up because I could feel that they're quite small in their sizing, which I don't mind because I really like comfortable shoes, comfortable sneakers. I'd rather they be a little too big than a little too small. Just try them on and feel your size. Don't look at the number, just feel your size. I really love this colorway. It's so elegant, so chic, so stylish. And I mean, yeah, for summer, obviously, most people like to wear white sneakers, but they get dirty. I just cannot wait to start wearing these. Previously, my favorite sneakers were the Air Force One, Nike, but I just felt I needed to try something else. So I went for these, and I cannot wait to wear them.